Hello my dear students, let's solve problem 289 from PB The name of the problem is ExistaImpare. In this problem we are going to read number n, and then we are going to read n numbers and natural numbers, and we have to find out if we have even numbers. If we have even numbers, we'll print da, else we'll print no. So as you see in the example, we have number 5, which means we create a loop and 5 times we read the numbers. And since there is no odd number among these numbers, we print no. But if there is even one odd number, if there is only one odd number, I'll print da. So let's start. Include IOStream and using namespace std. So now here I will create variable n, and I'm going to read my variable n. Then I will create a loop that runs exactly n times. In the loop we'll read a number. So let's create a variable x and we will read it in the loop. Now I want to check if this is odd number. If this is odd number, I'll print da. If there is no odd number, I'll print no. So I'll show you a couple of ways of doing it. So first of all, let's create some variable ExistaImpare, and at the beginning it is 0, and when I find odd number I will make this one 1. And if if x modulo 2 egal 1, then you do ExistaImpare egal 1. Then here after the loop you'll check if ExistaImpare egal 1, then you will print da, else you'll print no. And do not forget return 0. Let's send our code. And you got 100 points. The other way of doing is actually like if I found, let's say I have 1 million numbers and odd number is my third number, and in this loop it will continue checking all numbers. So I want to avoid it, and if I find an odd number, I'll make ExistaImpare 1 and I will break the loop. So if I encounter even number, I make ExistaImpare 1 and break the loop, and I don't continue anymore because I don't need it anymore. So again you'll get 100. So another way of doing it is actually like most professional programmers will do. Instead of using ExistaImpare as an integer, I want to create a Boolean variable, and I'll say that it's ExistaImpare, and at the beginning it is false. So remember that Boolean variables can be true or false, and if it is I'll make it true. So Boolean variables can keep only values true or false. So if I have a impare, then I'll make it true, and here I want to check if it is true, and then you can submit your code. Another way of checking if it's true, you can just say like this: if ExistaImpare cout da, like putting a Boolean variable inside of if and without putting equal true, it means actually equal true. So it also works this way. It works this way and it works this way. One more thing I want to show you how you do it. Another way of doing it is not using at all these things, And do you remember, mostly you students ask teacher, why do we need to return 0? Return 0 is put at the end of the program, but if you put return 0 here, so what this program does, it reads number n, and then it creates a loop, and in the loop you read a number, and if the number is odd number, you print da, and you return 0. Return 0 means completely finish the program. Like it will print da, and the program will completely finish. It will not go further. And if this never happened, it never returned 0, it will automatically print nu, because it was never da. Let's try it. That's it, guys. So in this video I showed you 3 ways of how to solve this problem. Use any of it, whichever you like.